Hi, we are going to do the Try These B exercises. This is just a reminder about putting rational and irrational numbers in order. So these exercises are on page. I actually got away from my page. Let me find it real quick. On page 64. Okay, and the directions say order the following numbers from least to greatest. So that means we are going to start with the smallest number listed here. So the strategy is that I need to know a rounded decimal for all of these with radical signs on them, or an exact value. The square root of 16 is an actual number of 4. If you're not sure, you can put that in your calculator. I'm not sure what the square root of 14 is. I do know that it's less than 4. So I'm going to do the square root of 14, and that equals 3.74. I can actually just put 7 because all of these are just to the 10th place. Now, when I go to order them, I have to write them the way they were given to me. So the smallest number is 3.6. So I'm going to write that first. Next is 3.7, but I can't write 3.7 because it was given to me as a square root 14. So that's the next one. Then I have 4, which is just 4.0, right? 4.0000. So I need to write square root 16. And then the next is 4.1. So if you look at your 10th place, you can see that I put those those whole number 3s in order based on their 10th place, and my whole number 4s put in order by their 10th place. Okay, so B, I have another 2 radicals, and neither one of those is perfect squares either. So in my calculator, I'm going to put square root 150. Oops. Let's try again. Square root 150 equals 12.2. And then I've got square root 135, 11.6. All right, so 11 is smaller than 12, so I need to look at these two first. So square root 35 is going to be my smallest, then 11.8. Now I've got 12. Now remember, this is also like 12.000, so 12 is next, and then 12.2. All right, so now on to C. Now pi, remember, is like 3.14, right? But I'm going to just write the 10th place because I just have one digit to the third with 3 here. I need to know what the square root of 6 is. That gives me 2.4. And I need to know what the square root of 14 is. 3.7. So I have enough digits here. Now if this gave me hundredths place in any of the decimals that were given to me, I would have to go out another place value just because it might be closer, right? But right now I'm good. 2 is the smallest whole number I have, and I only have one of them, so square root 6 is going to be my smallest number. Then I have 3.1, which is pi, and then I have 3.4, because 4 is smaller than 7, and then I have square root 14. So all I did with my 3's is see which one was the smallest 10th place value. Okay, and that's all I have for you from 5.2 or 5-2, and I will see you in class.